Welcome to Mind Manifester. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin, what it is and why it's changing the game in finance. So, what is Bitcoin? It's a type of China cryptocurrency, a digital currency that operates without a central authority like a bank. Launched in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is purely digital and doesn't exist in physical form. All transactions happen online, cutting out middlemen like banks and payment processors. Instead, Bitcoin relies on a technology called blockchain. But what's a blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger of all Bitcoin transactions spread across thousands of computers. Each block contains a list of transactions, and once filled, it's added to the chain, creating an unchangeable record. This technology makes Bitcoin secure and transparent. Every transaction is public, but also anonymous. To buy or sell Bitcoin, you need a client digital wallet to store and manage your Bitcoin. When you send Bitcoin, your wallet uses private keys to sign the transaction, proving it's you making the transfer. Transactions are processed by miners, who verify them and add them to the blockchain. Mining requires a lot of computing power, and miners are rewarded with new Bitcoin for their efforts. So, why has Bitcoin become so popular? It offers a more new kind of money that's decentralized and not controlled by any government. This appeals to those who distrust banks and provides an alternative in unstable economies. Beyond being a currency, Bitcoin is seen as a store of value, similar to gold. With a maximum of 21 million Bitcoin ever to be mined, its scarcity drives demand and value. However, Bitcoin comes with risks, the biggest being volatility. Its price can swing wildly in a day. This can lead to major gains or losses, depending on market timing. Another challenge is regulation. Many governments are still figuring out how to handle Bitcoin. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin's future looks bright, with institutional investors showing interest. Some countries are even exploring their own digital currencies as alternatives to Bitcoin. Plus, Bitcoin's technology is evolving, with solutions like the Lightning Network, making transactions faster and cheaper. To wrap it up, Bitcoin isn't just a currency, it's a financial revolution, reshaping how we think about money. But remember, it comes with risks, especially due to price volatility and regulatory uncertainty. If you're considering Bitcoin, do your research and understand both the opportunities and risks. Before you go, hit that subscribe button. We'll dive deeper into topics like this in future videos. Thanks for watching. Mind Manifester,